To use DND mode in OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device. Now when we scroll down, there will be option for sounds and vibrations, and here we'll be able to find do not disturb mode. You'll be able to activate it or deactivate it. It also allows you to change a few different settings like silence media when do not disturb mode is on. You can also set up a schedule on do not disturb mode when it should turn on and turn off automatically. You can click on this plus button to create a new one or use the preset sleep mode. Then there's the calls and messages, and this is the exceptions in do not disturb mode, which means you'll be able to adjust which of the notifications will appear when you're in that mode. You can pick the none, everyone, or contacts for calls and messages, or also there's a favorite contacts that I have set right there. There's also apps that you can select which can bypass do not disturb mode. And finally, the last one is ring for repeated calls. So if somebody tries to call you 2 times and this option is activated, the second call or third one will go through. So that is basically everything.